Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swati, consultant obstetrician gynecologist and laparoscopic surgeon working at Care Hospital Mushirabad. So today I will be talking regarding a very important scan which is done at your first trimester of pregnancy, which is called as the NT scan. This scan is done ideally between 11th to 13th plus 6 weeks of your pregnancy. So what all we get to know doing this scan? So why is it called so important? First thing we see here is the nuchal translucency. This is a certain measurement which is taken at the baby's neck. So if the value is on a higher side, it gives the predictability that the baby can have a congenital abnormality, maybe in the form of Down syndrome or various other trisomies as well. So along with this, what else do we see in the scan is that adequate development of brain and spinal cord of the baby, or it can also see various organ developments, maybe in the form of stomach, kidney, urinary bladder of the baby. So along with these parameters of the baby, we also measure the uterine artery Dopplers and the cervical length in the scan. So with the uterine artery Doppler, so we can predict if the mother can develop hypertension in pregnancy at the later stage, maybe at your 7th or 8th month. And also the blood test called as the dual marker test is done along with this scan, in which we will get to know a predictability risk that the pregnant woman can develop IUGR, that is a growth restriction of the baby, through this scan. So all these parameters are very helpful for better management of pregnancy. So don't miss the scan. Please do get it done between your 11th to 13 plus 6 weeks.